Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Mixing to construct the win my life. But I'm keeping moving like my Lisa. Think to fly, but where you Lisa, Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream and a pizza. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, ice cream.
Hi Hermosas, it's me Jaye C here and welcome back. Ang ingay. Sorry. So may pinagkakabisihan kasi yung sister ko. So I'm sorry for that. Hi Hermosas, it's me Jaye C here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll create yung look ni Lisa during sa music video ng BLACKPINK. Kasama nila doon si Selena Gomez, entitled Ice Cream. So I'll try to copy her look during that music video ng BLACKPINK. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I love you all. Okay, so for today's video na ito, I'm sorry for that. May pinagkakabisihan kasi yung sister ko. So, please bear with me, yung noise na yon. Ngayon, as you can see, may pabangs tayo. Sa mga naka-watch na ng previous makeup tutorial ko kay Lisa. So, these bangs, fake lang to. Ito yung ginawa ko na bangs galing sa buhok ni mama nung ginupitan ko siya. So, itong look ang gagawin natin. So, yan, yung look ni Lisa. So, that look. Sana makopy natin yung look niya here. So, but before that, clip lang natin para hindi siya sagabal sa ating pag-makeup. Before that pala, I would like to thank each one of you, my Hermosas, who keep on supporting me. As you can see, yung subscribers ko, I reached 1,000 subscribers already. Yes, yesterday, yes. I'm so happy and blessed. I'm so thankful kay God for this. It's a blessing. Yes. Thank you so much po sa mga nagtangkilik ng aking mga videos kahit I'm not pro at makeup and everything. Sa mga vlog ko, I'm not really good sa pag-explain ng mga dapat i-explain. So yun, I'm so grateful and thankful sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Okay, let's proceed. Ang face ko ay clean except I already did. I-create ko na yung brows ko. So may eyebrow na tayo. And now, I'll use yung mga products ng Revolution. So first, let's put some primer. This is Onyx primer. So it's black. Okay, I'll put this Onyx primer. I hope it's good. Because I don't know kung maganda ba yung magiging result sa aking skin. Oh my goodness! Tumulo siya. Naka-white pa naman akong damit. Make sure your hand is clean, ha? Oh, okay. Parang umitim yung face ko. Pero ang sabi dito, magdi-dissolve lang naman daw eh. Like, mawawala yung black. So, let's see. Okay. Pero parang nag-dark yung face ko. Pero very soft siya ha. Hindi siya sticky or something kasi may primer na very sticky. I encountered that yung isang product. I don't know kung anong product yun. But merong primer na sticky. But this one is not. Very soft. Dewy yung look niya. So, it's nice. Okay. Nawala nga yung black niya. And next, I'll put foundation. I'm gonna use this Revolution Pro in the shade ng F7. So, ayan siya. And mimixan ko lang siya ng MAC na foundation. So, I'll mix these two products. So, mix lang natin siya. And I'll use my beauty blender. Make sure it's a little bit wet. And, oo nga pala, before I apply foundation, I'll use this Max Factor. I'll spray my face ng setting spray para mag-stay siya ng maayos. Dito lang ako bagay mag-bangs para akong bata. So, I'll mix these two products and I'll put that to my face. So, yan. So, ang mga Koreans, they are white, like super white. Ayun yung definition of beauty nila. Like white, flawless, V-shape, ang kanilang jaw. So, let's put here as well. So, papaputian natin ng unti. Oh my gosh. Siguro let's remove first the bangs. So, remove muna natin siya. Kasi very hassle palang may bangs na mag-makeup. Para hindi siya sagabal. Yan. Let's put it practically right there. Now, sana tayo. Yes. Blending the foundation. And don't forget yung neck niya, okay? See? Oh my gosh. Kung hindi ko ni-remove yung bangs, yan. Hindi ka kasi nag-iisip, Jay. Like, hindi ko pangarap magkaroon ng bangs. Yung hairstyle na may bangs. Kasi very hassle for me. And yung noo ko, like, maliit. So, sa look ni Lisa, I think we need to contour a little bit. So, I'll contour my face kasi medyo magkahawig yung face shape namin ni Lisa. I need to like a little bit of contouring kasi yung nose ko, compare sa nose ni Lisa, mas mataas yung nose niya. So, I need to contour my nose. Hindi mataas ang ating ilong. So, by the way, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of Coconut Mocha 355. So, I contour just a bit. And dito, unti lang. And to my temple. So, I'll use my same beauty blender. I'll blend first sa aking nose. Baby! Yes? Aww, come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Say hi to them. Come on. Come here. Yeah. Hi, baby! Rain, rain! Baby! Jing, 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 jing. Walang magawa kasi yung baby namin. So, pumunta siya. Like, nag-hi lang sa akin. Bye, baby! Okay, now let's proceed sa ating cheekbones, sa ating temple. So, i-blend lang natin. Keep on blending kasi yung pagbe-blend, makikita mo yung ganda niya. Like, ooh, okay. I'm not sure kung ano makakalabasan na naman ito. But at least I try my best. So, what I'm gonna do next is, I'll use my HD Pro foundation. Pick the shade. And I'll use my flat brush. I'm so sorry kung hindi po ako magaling mag-explain, but I'll try my best to explain what I'm doing. So I'll put the highlighter on the bridge of my nose until to my tip of my nose. And naka-highlight ang kanyang chin. So let's blend it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll blend using my finger, my ring finger, the weakest finger ng inyong hand. Make sure it's clean. So mas prefer ko yung finger ko when it comes to concealer na mga creams. I don't know, I feel like mas nagiging flawless yung look kapag finger yung gamit ko. And to my chin and to my nose. I'll use my loose powder. So I'm using Revolution in the shade of Lace. So I'll put that here kasi ang liit nung takip niya. So let's bake. Wala naman pagkakaiba niya. So, it's good. Except, wala siyang smell. I want kasi kapag sa loose powder or like setting powder, I want mabango yung amoy niya. So, now, let's proceed sa ating eyes. Yung eye look dito ni Lisa ay very simple lang. So, this is kind of brownish orange and with glitter on top niyan, sa lid niya. And meron siyang wing liner. Base ng ating eye. I'm gonna use Mega Concealer under Makeup Obsession ng Revolution. In the shade ng 1. And I'll use my finger again to blend it. So, yan. Make sure to blend it gentle. So, yan siya. Wow. Okay. See that? Eyeshadow palette na gagamitin natin. This is Revolution, this Flawless 3 Resurrection. So, I'll use my number 6 ng ARA. I'll use this orangey brown. I'm not sure. Kind of orangey brown. This shade. Yan. So, I'll put that to my entire lid and crease. How nice it is. Ang ganda niya. Kita niyo ba? I think it's normal naman sa mga palette, eyeshadow palette. So, meron siya mga fallouts ng eyeshadow. So, ang ginagawa ko, I put here first sa aking lid and then I'll push upwards sa aking crease para meron siyang, you know, gradient effect. Ayan. So, as you can see, dun sa pinakita kong photo na reference natin, she have a glitter. So, ang gamit ko, I'll take my glitter glue, not eyelash glue, kundi glitter glue, and we have some glitter right in here. So, I am not sure kung saan ko to binili. So, this is gonna be looks like yung glitter, and make sure you have a glitter glue. Oh my god, it's open. I forget to close it. Let's put sa ating lid now. Okay. I'll take my lip brush. This is a lip brush. And kuha tayo ng glitter glue. Just small amount lang ng glitter glue. And I'll put sa aking lid. Yung pag-apply ng glue is like this only. Huwag nyong i-rub kasi pag ni-rub nyo, baka mawala yung eyeshadow na inilagay nyo sa inyong eyelid and crease. And I'll use the same brush. Oh my god, I think it's too much. Wow! Can you see that? I'm not sure kung saan ko to nabili tong glitters na to. But, oh my god! Yung concealer ko nalagyan ng glitters. So, idiot. And yung kaninang palette na gamit natin, the Resurrection 3, this one. And I'll use this glitter, this one. I'm not sure kung kita ba siya or what. This glitter. So, yan. And ilalagay ko siya sa top. Let's proceed sa ating kabila, okay? I'll be right back. Now, let's proceed sa ating eyeliner. And I'll use number 7. It's gel eyeliner. And by the way pala, kung dry na ang inyong gel liner, any kinds of petroleum jelly, and lagay nyo lang siya. So, yun yung tip ko sa inyo. So, and I'll use this brush, eyeliner brush, ng Bourjois. So, I'm using Bourjois brush. So, I'll extend just a little bit. And proceed tayo dito sa kabila. Balikan ko kayo, okay? So, okay, we are back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And now, let's proceed sa ating lashes. So, I'll use this. This is Crispy Lashes number 5. Lang under ng Revolution. Ayan. Nakadikit na ang ating lashes. Ayan. Nailagay na natin ang ating falsies. Now, let's proceed sa ating mascara. By the way, I'm using MAC mascara. Sa taas lang lalagyan ko ng mascara. Kasi yung look ni Lisa, wala siyang mascara sa lower lash. Now we are good. Let's proceed sa ating lower lash line. So I'll take same palette, yung Resurrection 3. And I'll pick that orangey brown. So I'll take my ARA brush number 7. And I'll put that sa aking lower waterline. There. Let's remove the powder. I think I love the look. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko sinasabing kamukha ko na agad si Lisa. Okay. A little bit of contour. So, I'll use my Katy Price. And I'll contour just a little bit of my cheekbone. So, I'll take this shade. Yan. And I'll take my blush brush ng ARA number 3. So this one. May nagpupukpok. Oh, by the way, meron pala siyang blush. Since ito lang yung blush ko kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-blush. And blush lang natin. So, very light lang. Magkaroon lang siya ng redness sa iyong cheekbones. Now, let's proceed sa ating lips. So, pink siya with glitter. So, ang gagamitin kong product, since wala ako pink lipstick, first, I'll take this is Essence Lip Liner. So, iline lang natin ang ating lips. So, hindi tayo mag-create ng Cupid's bow. Then, and overline natin sa ating Cupid's bow. I'll use NARS and the shade ng Dress to Kill. Itong lipstick na to, meron siyang glitter. So I'll pick Avon. Avon is a Philippine brand. So this is gonna be looks like. Medyo reddish na may pagka-pinkish yung color niya. And the shade ng True Color Lip 1204 Crush. I think it's good. Take ko lang yung glitter na ginamit ko kanina. So this one. And I'll use my finger. Apply ko lang siya sa aking lips. So medyo nahirapan kasi ako dahil wala akong proper product for this look. And I'll take this Maxi Reloaded Monster palette ng Revolution, and I'll take this and i-apply ko lang sa aking lips. And kuha ko ng blending brush number 6 ng ARA. And let's put it here. Aking lip, we're almost done. Okay, I think it's working. Wait, let me try my finger. Okay, finger will work. I think we're good. And the final one is a setting spray. Where's my setting spray? And set lang natin. Let's put the bangs on. So yan. So lagay lang natin yung bangs natin. And this is the final look. So I hope you enjoy it. And sana nagaya ko siya ng very light. Sana talaga. Okay, this is gonna looks like sa malapitan. Okay, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoy it as I enjoy this making Lisa's look during sa ice cream ng BLACKPINK feat. Selena Gomez. So, yan po. Thank you so much for all my Hermosas. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I love you all, and see you for the next video. God bless. Mwah. Bye!